What up, guys? Sometime Kev's here. Looking for crappie. We found another one of these boys. He's huge. Going back in the water. Look at that. Yeah, tell he's a pretty fish. See if we can get him to ride. Alright, it's carp spawning season. So I don't know if you can see it, but all these brown trails in this clear water are from the carp. I mean, they are everywhere. They're making so much noise, it's unreal. Oh, I see one under the water. Going over there where the splashes were. It's so much. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at him down there. Oh, look at all of them. Oh, they're huge. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, they're just flying through here. I just see dozens of them. They're mating. Look at that. Oh yeah, I can see them everywhere. There's one. Look at them swimming. Amazing. There's hundreds of them here. And other side of the lake is exactly the same. Hundreds of them. And I guess when they run into the right mate, they just start doing it. Look at these right here. Look at that. Look at that. And them gold fins come up. There they go. Get it, get it, boy. Oh my gosh, there's just hundreds of them. I'm about 1 foot of water. I'm not even sure my trolling motor is going to be able to take this. It's loud. That's what carp sound like when they're getting it. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's a female. And there's one or two males right, yeah, 2 males right behind her. Dang. Oh my gosh, they're just everywhere out there. As far as I can see. I might actually be stuck. My prop is probably stuck in the water. Hold on.